The first exercise is what? Question number 3, exercise 3. I owe you rupees 1500 payable 4 years from now. What is the equivalent cash payment that I can make now? SI prevailing be 6.25% of 6.25% per annum. I owe you 1500 payable 4 years from now. So I have to pay 1500 rupees not today but 4 years from today. Sachi Shavya, how did 1.331 become 33.1%? Sachi, okay, let me proceed like that. 1.331 upon 1, it is increase of 0.331 upon 1, so it will be equal to 33.1%. Okay, coming back to this question. So how much should I pay you today? Because if I pay you some amount today, in the 4 years, you can earn interest, which will take you to 1500 rupees. So if I have to pay you today, I will not pay you 1500 rupees, I'll pay you something lesser. Okay. So in other words, the question is, what is the amount that I should put in bank today? If I put X rupees in bank today, in 4 years, it should become 1500 rupees at the rate of 6.25% per annum after 4 years. Okay. So what is the value of X? So now let's again look at this way. The rate of interest is simple interest. It's a simple interest. Okay. And 4 years, 6.25%. So since it's a simple interest, in 4 years, you will get not 6.25 but 6.25 into 4, which is the 12.5, you will get 25%. I hope this is clear. It is 6.25% per annum for 4 years. And simple interest. Simple interest means in first year you get 6.25% interest. Second year you get again 6.25% of simple. So it is 6.25 into 4. So the total interest which you will receive will be 6.25 into 4, which is 25%. So the total interest received is 25% of X. Okay. And this added to X should take you to 1500 rupees, or 1.25X should be equal to 1500. Okay. So the key thing out here was to understand that if you are paying today, the person whom you pay has the option of earning interest on that, hence you will pay lesser today, or the current principal plus the interest should add up to 1500 rupees in the given period. Okay. Another thing we could have looked at is interest is 25%, so if it was originally 100, it was 125, so it would become 1.25x. Or interest is equal to 25%, that implies the principal, if it is X, the amount will become 5 by 4x, or 5 by 4x is equal to 1500. Another thing you could have done was choice plus 25% of choice, choice plus 25% of choice should be equal to 1500. Whichever choice does not satisfy is incorrect. Whichever choice does not satisfy this relationship is incorrect. For example, if I check for choice A, 1000 plus 25% of 1000 is 1250, incorrect. Okay, so 1000 plus 25% of choice 250 is coming out to be 1250, but we need a value of 1500, hence my answer should be greater than 1000. Or in other words, any choice which is less than 1000 should be incorrect, and this is the only remaining choice. Okay. I'll repeat this question because some students seem to be having problem with this. I have to pay you 4 years from now. I have to pay you not today but 4 years later. 4 years later, I have to pay you 1500 rupees. The rate of interest is 6.25% per annum, simple interest. Now instead of paying you 1500 rupees, I can decide to put X rupees in bank today, such that X rupees will become 1500 rupees after 4 years. So the question effectively is, what is this is also known as the present value. What is the present value of 1500 rupees which is payable 4 years down the line? Okay. So if I have to pay you 1500 rupees 4 years down the line, I can put X rupees in bank today. So I'll put X rupees in bank, plus on these X rupees I will get 25% interest. This total, if it adds up to 1500 rupees, this will give me the present value of 1500. Okay. Or in other words, the question is, how much amount should I put in bank today at 6.25% for 4 years so that it will become 1500 rupees. Okay. So in a way, this is the principal, this is the amount, okay, and this is the interest. So principal plus interest has to be equal to the amount.